Banks said no, don't lose another day. When traditional lenders slam the door, time is money. I say yes, we offer the newest funding programs for 2025. You can apply in 5 minutes. Get funded fast. Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals, payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below. We'll get you the capital you need, fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Apply now, just click the link below. Act fast. Act.
I was seeking financing for a rather complex financial transaction. I had seen where Potomac Mutual Trust had worked with others in the tech sector. They quickly broke down my needs and were actually able to provide me with the funds needed ahead of schedule.
Do you need fast funding for your small business? We provide quick small business funding from $500 today and up to $2 million in 48 hours. Our loan programs are limited documentation and very easy to qualify. Let's figure out how much you need, as our programs are not credit score driven. At DAC, we are passionate about helping entrepreneurs, which is why we created a digital one-stop solution for business funding. With one-on-one support from our team of funding experts, we simplify the funding process with one simple application that only takes minutes to complete. Imagine the possibilities when you have the right financial support at your fingertips. Funding from DAC will allow you to focus on growing your business. Our funding can be utilized for a wide range of purposes, including purchasing inventory, upgrading equipment, expanding or renovating, or simply pay down operational costs. Complete the application, get a decision, receive your funds, and lower your stress level. Happy funding!